Hi, and welcome to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. If you haven't been here before, my name is Lorraine. You can call me Rainey. This video focuses on doing a simple pencil drawing in a very small format. I typically do small work, and this particular pencil drawing is 2.5 inches by 4 inches, and you can see the scale with the quarter next to it. So I like a more intimate painting. I admire large people can paint and draw very large things, and that will be one of the my goals in the coming weeks and months, is to try to do some larger pieces for a few reasons. Number one, as I've gotten older, it's becoming more difficult to do these small pieces without a magnifying glass. I have trifocals, so I'd like to do work that's a little bit larger and still keep that intimate feeling where you want to come close and really take a look. So that'll be a challenge. But for this particular video, this is a scene at the end of the road where I used to live out in upstate New York. You'd walk to the top of the hill and it was just a beautiful view up there. Pretty simple. It's one of the hill towns up there in upstate New York, and so you've got the the hills and the pines, and it was early spring, so the leaves had not yet begun to bud. So you've got those challenges. So it's a lot of shades of gray, and my job, your job, when when you're doing a piece, is to try to use photo reference, which I do a lot. I try to take the photo and make it a little more dramatic. I'm a terrible photographer, I admit that. I'll snap a shot and I'm like, oh, I'm not that concerned about the photograph, because I figure I can enhance it. I would like to get better at taking reference photos, because I think at the end of the day it would be nice to have a little more information if I'm not painting on site. So as if you've been here on my channel before, you'll know that my technique with the pencil is I will apply the graphite in layers. I do most of my drawings on a very smooth, this is a Bristol paper, and I'll leave some of the information on the supplies that I use, but you can see a lot of times which pencil I'm using, and I like to try to create the textures myself rather than relying on the texture of the paper. I guess that means I must be a bit of a control freak, so that's why I like to use a smooth paper. Some of the other drawing papers that you run into will have a texture of its own, and so I'd rather not try to overcome that texture, but create my own. So let me just let you watch. You'll see at times throughout the video that I'm using the blending tool, particularly for the clouds, and I just continue to build in layers. So if you would like to follow along and do your own drawing with me, please, by all means, I would love to see if any of you are doing it. I would love to see what you've come up with, or if you're just using your own photo reference, I'd love to see the drawings that you're doing. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by, and happy painting and happy drawing.
All your life you've tried to be a good man inside, did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.